With your iTunes U course open, tap Materials. To stream a video, simply tap on it. To go back, tap the arrow in the upper left. To download a video to your iPad, tap the iCloud icon. When the video is done downloading, tap it to play. To go back, tap the arrow. To view a document, you must first download it from iCloud. Tap to open. To go back, tap Done. To remove downloaded course materials from your iPad, tap Edit. Select the items you wish to delete. Tap the trash can, and your downloads will be removed. You can re-download them anytime you wish.